Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guess what we have today? We have a glossy box, but it's a special box, so let's get into it. I had it upside down during the whole intro, but it says, "You are the best." And the beauty of this is, this was meant to be like a Mother's Day box. Because it says "You are the best," you could pick it up for a gift for anything. You could pick it up for a gift for yourself because you are the best. I got mine late for a Mother's Day box. I don't know that they sold them before Mother's Day. I can't say for sure. I don't think that they sold them as a Mother's Day box and then they ship late. I just think they decided to put them up after Mother's Day. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's called You Are the Best. It is $30 if you belong to Glossybox. You can purchase it even if you don't. It's just $35 then. I will put a link over to Glossybox below with my code Kathrin. If you sign up for a subscription, your first box will be $16, which is $5 off. And then you can purchase all of the special boxes, which is what a lot of the fun with Glossybox for me is. I think they do such a great job on these extra boxes. This was sent to me for review. You will always get my honest opinion if I didn't say that already. When we open it up, this is so heavy. I can't wait to see what's in here. That is what it looks like on the inside. And then we can just unwrap it. That's why these would make such great gifts. Like I said, even for yourself. It's because they're always wrapped so nicely. And that is the inside. Look how chock full that is. We don't have any paperwork, so we'll just go through this really quickly. If you have any questions after I post it, let me know. I will happily look up more information for you. We're gonna reach in right on top because we all saw it. It is the Bioderma Purifying Cleansing Micellar Solution. So it's a micellar water. Bioderma, if you look online, it has one of the best reviews. I get these periodically. We do usually seem to get the one that is not the hydrating one. So I'm not gonna open this because I will double check so that if it's not the one that's hydrating, because that's the one that I like the best, I can pass it along. Okay, next out, I have a Nude Sticks Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. It is lemon, papaya, apple. Well, it says papain. Is that papaya or is that different? Lemon, papain, apple, and pomegranate. Micro peeling. You guys know I'm going to pass this along. I have if you're new to the channel, I have very super sensitive skin. I can't use anything that talks about peels. I can use some gentle exfoliators, but I can't use anything that says that it's a peel or that it's going to renew your skin as a rule. Those just all irritate my skin really, really badly. This is a 3-in-1 deep pore cleanser, skin exfoliant, and skin brightening glow. A skin clarifying peel that cleanses pores of all excess dirt, oil, and pollution. Powered with vegan enzymatic peeling of papain and deep pore cleaning action of apple and pomegranate extracts. Vitamin C renews and brightens the skin for radiant glow. And vitamin C is one of my no products, so I will set this aside. Next out, we have, what is this? Grande Cosmetics Grande Pout Plumping Lip Mask. Yes, please. I keep these in my drawer next to my nightstand, and I use them at least twice a day. When I get up after I've brushed my teeth and right before I go to bed. And I have not had really super dry lips in a very long time. That's what it looks like on the inside. It looks like a little gift in itself. It just, aw, pillowy pout. I find that if I take care of my lips with masks, it makes all the difference. And now, can you guys see? Well, you can't now because I dropped, oh, it stayed here. I was gonna say I dropped the lid. It has a little, that's cute. And then that is what this looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Berries. It smells, did I say berries? It smells just like berries. I can't wait to try this. On the back it says with Volulip and DuraQuench. That sounds like it's gonna get the job done. Any way you look at it, I love that it has the little spatula because when it's a pot, I've quit using pots outside my house. I mean, I won't use them because who knows where my hands have been. Inside, I don't mind as much, but I do still really enjoy the spatula. Next out, we have a RWPP Beauty. Let's open it and see what I got. We went through a phase there where we got a lot of RWPP brushes. We've been getting less lately. So this looks like a blending and an angled shading. I'm gonna leave the angled shading in here because I have discovered I don't use them as often, but the blending I use on the Constant. And they both have that kind of, what is that called? Gunmetal color. And then the nubbly black, it's just really pretty. I mean, I got these in pink in another box and I like the RWPP brushes, don't get me wrong. I do like the brushes. Next out, we have champagne infused, check, volumizing mist. Trouvailles Beauty, and it's 1.7 fluid ounces. I don't know anything about this. It's very small writing. Thickened strands with all-day hold. Enriched with our Trouvailles complex of champagne, white truffle, and platinum extracts, plus skincare grade ingredients. It's free of sulfates, paraben, and phthalate. How do you get extracts out of platinum since that's a metal? I have questions. Spray all over, air dry or blow dry. All right, well, let's see if it smells like champagne or platinum. Oh, okay. So definitely use it on your wet hair because that is not a fine mist. It smells really nice. It just smells like a hair care product. I wouldn't mind smelling that from my hair all day. It feels really nice. It absorbed into my hands. It didn't leave, you know how sometimes hair products can leave your hands a little tacky, you feel compelled to go wash them? This didn't do that at all. It completely absorbed. I will definitely be trying this. That is intriguing to me. Next out, we'll have a palette. It is Ipsy. I received it in Royal, and it is an artistry palette. Let's see what Royal is. Oh, it's broken. I can tell you, judging from looking at the outside, it's gonna be broken. I'm gonna open up the face wipe that I have been using to wipe my hands down and open it over that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just one. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's just one color. I'm gonna go ahead and do away with that. It's just one color, and it's probably the most gorgeous color, but they are all, I'm going to try and repress that, the box over that so you don't get my ring light. Those colors, can you tell the one that's broken how gorgeous it is? I mean, these things are gonna happen. You can't send boxes all over the country, all over the world, and not have some things happen, but this one is like purple. That is gorgeous. Those are so pretty. Yeah, I will be trying to repress that one, and if I can't successfully do it because I'm just not a crafty girl, then I will just clean that one out and use the other four because they are gorgeous. I've got to clean the outside of this though from touching it. I've got it all over my hand. Be right. Well, I have also just realized that it is on some of my other products now, and it didn't come like that. That just happened when I took it. I have my box sitting right in front of me, and when I went to camera, I spilled some out. So it's on some of the other products in here, but it didn't do it. I did it. Okay, next out, let me shake it off. We have Give Them Lala Beauty. I have no idea what that is yet. Ingredients: water, synthetic beeswax, I'm guessing mascara. Give Them Lala Beauty black mascara. Well, that is not, there's not a lot of identification on this. Give Them the Lala Beauty, and on the bottom it says black. The rest of it is just a regular wand. I just did my empties. Oh, I like this brush. I just did my empties and critiqued a lot of mascara, so I will put this in rotation to be tried. I can tell you right now, I already approve of the brush. Next out, let me shake that off. Yeah, because it's just what literally fell on it when I was opening it. Looks like we have sunglasses from Velvet in a nice little case. Ooh, aviators. Let's try these on. I do have some sunglasses that are bifocals because sometimes if you're sitting on a beach or at a pool, you might want to be reading a book. But for my everyday life, a lot of my sunglasses aren't readers because I can see at a distance. I'm gonna go ahead and clip off the tag that says Velvet. And let's try these on. Oh, they fit really nicely. I feel the need for speed. Oh, with Top Gun out? Oh, have you seen the Lady Gaga video for Top Gun? Talks about how all Goose, spoiler alert, Goose doesn't make it in the first movie, and it's just too soon. I know it's been, 37 years. Too soon. I'm not ready to talk about Goose yet. I like aviators. I like the way they look with the teardrops on my face. It's a look that I like. I don't choose it often because I also, 90% of the time when I'm living my life in the summer, because you go inside so much, I take my glasses, and I can't do it with these. I take my glasses and I shove them up on the top of my head. Like you guys see me do it in the videos. You know how you just take your glasses, and you can't do that with most aviators because almost all aviators have the nose pads. And with the nose pads, my hair is so fine, that just gets caught in my hair. So I also do a lot of this in the summer, so I can't throw it back in my hair, which deters me from a lot of eyeglass wearing, but I do like the way these look. So, wish I had my bucket hat from earlier. All right, very cool. And the quality is decent, so I don't mind that at all. Next out and last out, let me dust this off a little bit. I have from Glass House Fragrances. All right, I like they came in a pouch. Let's check this out. Okay, we have 4 different little fragrances. Let me line them up actually a little more nicely for you guys. And this is what they look like. I do love trying new fragrances, so this is fun. We have Kyoto In Bloom, which is Camellia and Lotus. We have a Taha Affair, and that is Devotion. We have Midnight in Milan, and that is Saffron and Rose. That sounds very intriguing, but you guys know I like a rose. And we have Forever Florence, and it is Wild Peonies and Lily. So they're all florals, I think. Let's just go ahead and try them. I'm sure they're for layering, but the first time out, you really just have to give them a little sniff. They are much bigger, that's what I started to say, than your regular trial size. Can you guys tell? It's full and it's much, much bigger. Okay, what am I going to spray this on? Well, the first one we're gonna spray in the bottom of the box, which I took all of the paperwork out that I managed to get eyeshadow all over. Oh, very nice light spray. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. What is that? Devotion, a Taha Affair. I love that. I mean, that is amazing. It almost smells like a little bit of caramel to me. This kind of smells almost foodie, not floral. Let's see if the back says anything. Glass House Fragrances. A gourmand, a floral experience. Is it possible I'm getting better at scents? Is that even possible? Delectable and captivating. Sea salt, jasmine sambac. Look at me puffing myself up. Caramel, butterscotch, and cedarwood. I mean, I feel like, thank you and good night. I'm out. Before I mess up the next 3, I feel like I should be just like, thanks for coming by, guys. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. As in, wow. Wow. Yeah, it smells that good. You're like, she's overreacting. She's not. It smells that good. Next, let's go Wild Peonies and Lily. Well, I won't look at the back since we know I could cheat by looking at the back. And well, kind of tells me Wild Peonies and Lily. Let's spray the top of the box on this one. Oh, it has a lid. I was like, I can't find the place to spray it from. Oh, that's very floral. Very light though. These, do you guys know this brand? I don't know this brand. Glass House Fragrances. They're lovely scents. I like this. Very floral. Way floral. I mean, I will give in to their expertise and yield that it probably smells like peonies and what they say, peonies and lily. Sure. I really, unless it's like rose or lavender, those are the only 2 that come to my mind. I really can't differentiate the flowers. This says a floral powdery fragrance. That's why I said it's very light. Very light. It's very nice. Soft and comforting. Wild peonies, lily, musk, and peach. No, I don't get any peach, and it could be a light amount of musk, I don't know. But next we're going to do Midnight in Milan, and it says it's saffron and rose. I'm going to spray the papers that I keep all my notes on for all my videos. Uh-oh, that one hit my hand. I hope I like this one. Oh, wow. That smells, that's giving me a sense memory. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. They said saffron and rose, Midnight in Milan. Well, I've never been to Milan. That smells like 1982 to me. Specific enough? No, that's probably too late because I feel like it's something from my childhood. Like maybe my mom wore a scent that smells like this. It's not youth dew, so that's not likely. That smells stunning. This says it is a, and I don't know how to say this, Kypri floral fragrance, sensual and exotic, saffron, rose, moss, and amber. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but it is stunning. These fragrances are, they're just amazing. All right, last out we have Kyoto In Bloom. That makes me think it says Camellia and Lotus. That makes me think it's gonna be light. All right, another little piece of paper. I keep notes. I told you guys, I love writing things down on paper. I just keep all my notes. It's fine. It's a floral. It would be my least favorite. I mean, I would wear it. If somebody handed me and said, do you mind wearing this all day? I'd be like, yeah, no problem. But it's my least favorite of these 4. It's very floral. It's light, again. Not as light as the powdery one, but still, it's a light one. No gourmand, there's no deepness to it, like the other ones that were sexy or musky. I don't feel any depth to this. It's a very light floral. It's very nice though. Let's look at the back of the box and cheat it out. It says that it is an oriental floral fragrance, arresting and spirited. So you can get arrested in this one. I know. Camellia, lotus, pineapple, and amber. I don't smell the pineapple in this one, just like I didn't smell the peach in the other one. So I don't know about that, but it is very nice. Don't get me wrong. It's just my least favorite. So we received, going from least favorite to most favorite, we received the Kyoto In Bloom, which is what they said was an oriental floral. I liked it. Don't get me wrong, but of these four, my least favorite. My next up is the Forever Florence, and it's the Wild Peonies and Lily, and this was the floral powdery fragrance. It was an even lighter floral. Very, very nice. Don't get me wrong, very nice. But these two were amazing. So of these two, wow, that's a tough call. This almost feels like a mood. Choosing between a favorite between these two. This one said it was the, and I don't know what this means, Capri floral fragrance, sensual and exotic, that kind of gave me the scents memory. And then this one was that first one that we worked with, the gourmand. Oh, Devotion and Saffron Rose. Daytime, nighttime. That's the only difference between these to me. I mean, they smell very different. This one was very gourmand. You could smell the caramels in it. But this one had the moss and the amber, so it had some sultry in there too. I have to tell you, I just went on for a long time about that because they were amazing. I don't often spend a lot of time on fragrance favorites because it's so personal. I mean, fragrances are so personal. I could say, this is my absolute favorite, and you could be like, yeah, I mean, it's okay on you, but I would never wear that. So personal. But this is that, what'd I say? Look it up one more time. Glass House Fragrances. And they came in this lovely pouch. So in this glossy box that I think I managed to get all of the eyeshadow out of, we received our fragrances and our glasses. These were velvet glasses. I think we've had this brand before in a box. We got the Give Them Lala mascara, the LaRousse brushes. I'm not going to tilt this Larizzi eyeshadow palette. So the Larizzi eyeshadow palette, and it was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I just took a lot of my eyeshadows out to tape a declutter. And if this performs well, this one would have stayed with the ones that I kept out to use because it's gorgeous. Then we have the Trouvailles Beauty, I think it was Champagne Volumizing Mist. Yes, please. We have the Grande Pout, the Nude Sticks Peel, and the Bioderma. I mean, this is all in this box. I think it said, oh, I wish I should be able to tell you this. I'm going to say it said it had a $238 value. I'm correcting myself right here, but it was right there. $30 if you belong to Glossybox, $35 if you don't. Wow, that's a really great gift. And an eyeshadow palette, don't forget. Thank you so much. Again, I will put the link and my code, Kathrin, below. It will get you $5 off your first box if you'd like to sign up for a subscription. But you can purchase this without signing up for a subscription, so you do not have to do that. Thank you again for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And have a great day, guys.